Hey guys, welcome to one of our crafts where we're going to be making a name tag. So because this is Camp Wild, we're going to choose an animal that starts with the first letter of our first name or any animal that you really love. So this is on an index card because this is our practice sheet before we do it on our actual name tag so we can get it perfect for how we like it. So we start by writing our first name. So I wrote Isa and my friend here wrote Danny, and then we followed up with the word the. So it can be as messy as you want because this is still your planning sheet and you're still figuring it out how you want it to look. So you grab the inspiration sheets and you're going to look through them. Now there's a lot of different kinds of sheets. There's reptiles and weird animals and desert animals and vertebrates. So I would say look for either your favorite or one that you didn't know that you liked but now you like, and you decide that that's what you're going to write down on your practice sheet. So to get it nice and perfect, we're going to put our finger on the animal that we like because it might be difficult to spell. So since I chose clownfish, I put my finger on the picture of the clownfish and I followed it up with my finger and just made sure that I was spelling everything perfectly. So then that way I was not going to make any mistakes. And again, this is your practice sheet, so if you mess up and you have to scratch something out, it's totally okay because you still have another chance to do it, and that way it'll be perfect for your actual name tag that everyone's going to see and everyone's going to love, and you're going to love it. And here is Danny. She's drawing her dog because we can decorate our name tags with as many little pictures as we want. So Danny is drawing a little dog, and there she is drawing the eyes. And now she didn't like it. She said that she changed her mind, and that's okay because again, this is still a planning sheet, so you can mess up as many times as you want and it's all okay. Here she is drawing another dog because this one's gonna be better. She messed up the first time, which is okay. We all make mistakes. And then this is my name tag, and I am going to draw a little fish. This is my friend, my clownfish. So now that we're done, actually Danny changed hers to Danny the dolphin, so she changed her mind. And again, that's okay. If you want to change your mind, that's totally okay. So now on our actual name tags, we're going to grab our markers and we are going to write our official name tag down. Now this one has to be perfect because it's going to be your name tag, so make sure that you really love it. And just copy it from your practice sheets and that way we can get it perfect. Now here are some awesome examples of what you can do. So have fun and be creative.